Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amia Serrano. I am a fashion stylist. I've been styling for, I started in 2011. We're now in 2024, say about 13 years. I've styled celebrities, brand campaigns, music videos, magazine editorials, TV appearances, red carpet, e-com stuff. I've pretty much done it all. I'm so used to being behind the camera nowadays that it's a little awkward for me to get in front of the camera and be um, talking a lot because I don't even go on my Instagram stories to talk a lot. This channel is actually for people who are into fashion. It's for the aspiring stylists who need help getting started in this industry because I know I needed that help when I got started. I'll give you a background story of me. I started out modeling when I had moved to New York, and that was in 2011. I thought to myself, modeling is fun, but I rather put the outfits together. And then that's when I Googled how to become a wardrobe stylist. Was self-taught, I assisted, I interned, and while I'm doing all this, I'm still working a regular job. And here I am today, now freelancing, doing it full-time, finally creating this YouTube channel. What my channel is gonna start bringing you is what's in my kit. And these are items that I use on set and that I even use for myself. Items that not only stylists can use, aspiring stylists can use, but anybody can use. I even curated a list on Amazon of what's in my kit in case you want to purchase these things and have no idea where to find them. It's linked in my bio on my channel. I'm going to be sharing one item at a time, and another series I'm going to be getting into is how do I? I know when I first started out, I had a lot of questions. How do I pull clothes? How do I reach out to showrooms? How do I do returns? So all of those questions are going to be answered here on my channel. I also have my email in my intro so that way you can email me those questions too. I'm super excited for this because it's going to be a lot of fun. It'll be super informative. I don't gatekeep here. I'm here to help. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever. Stay tuned for what's to come because it's a lot of good information. Information that I know I needed when I first started out that I want to share with you guys.